guys, welcome to Maverick. My name is Karthik, and today's video I'm going to be talking about a backpack from Tumi which is called the Alpha Bravo. In recent times,
Aries, can you show it to me, Baba? Can you show it to me? Okay. Can you put it upright?
Yes.
And put it upright. Tadita. Okay. Upright. Leave it upright.
Say cheese. like everyone else Beyonce.
Oh, okay. Okay. Daddy. What are you doing, Daddy?
I doing right got camera.
Okay. Are you trying to take a picture with camera?
Yes.
Okay. Daddy. You did it, Baba. You did it. I love it. I love it. You did it, Baba. You did it. Who made it, Baba? Did you make it, Baba? What did you make? Was that, Baba? Was that tall thing? Is that a tower? Is that a tower?
Yes.
It's a tall tower. And where's your boom gate?
It's you.
How many buttons you have in the boom gate?
This is our school gate.
Two
Two.
button, Baba?